When I first started my training in rheumatology in the early 2000s, there was very little that could be done for someone with the most severe forms of scleroderma. All doctors looking after people with scleroderma have some really tragic stories to tell of lives cut short. But over the last 20 or so years, there have been so many huge advances with the availability of drugs for pulmonary arterial hypertension. People affected are living much longer. We now have more treatment options for the lung disease of scleroderma. We're beginning to understand all the complexities of scleroderma gastrointestinal disease, and following on from that, we'll hopefully have more treatments for gut disease. There are a lot of clinical trials now looking at new treatments for more severe forms of skin involvement. A lot of the research we do with our Australian scleroderma cohort study is about tracking the course of the condition and seeing what the markers obtained in blood or through other tests are that determine better or worse outcomes. And this is very important in guiding a more individualized or tailored treatment for a condition that can have so many different symptoms in different people. We're also looking at optimizing ways of picking up complications early and treating more aggressively so that there is less damage to organs. We're even looking at a more cellular level at the derangements in the immune system that lead to scleroderma in the first place as potential treatment targets. All of this work will have a big impact and make a big difference to those that are affected by scleroderma. There is no doubt that we've come a long way in understanding the complexities of scleroderma and getting a handle on how to best manage it. But without a doubt, we also have a very long way to go. We need to keep up the efforts to stop the disease from progressing and to find the really effective drugs that have a major impact on the condition. I hope that in the course of my career, I will see these advances, play a role in the discoveries, and apply the treatments. I'm very hopeful that the best is ahead of us.